Office Timeline allows you to create precise timetables that are detailed down to the exact hour and minute that each task or milestone starts or ends at. In this video, we'll show you how to create such a timetable from scratch, how to change an item's date format to show hours and minutes, and how to create a timetable from a template. To create a timetable with hours and minutes from scratch, first you have to open the Office Timeline ribbon, click on New, and then double-click on Timeline from scratch. Now we're in the Data view, where we can create new tasks and milestones for our timeline. But as you can see, right now there's no visible column that lets us set the hours or minutes for our items. To enable this feature, we must first click on Add Column up here, and then enable the Hours and Minutes toggle. Now we have two new columns, Start Time and End Time. You can use these two to set the exact time either by typing it manually or clicking on the small clock icon and picking the hours and minutes you need. Add a few more tasks and milestones to your visual, and then you can preview your work in the timeline view. Remember that you can also add new items in this view as well, and you can retime them by dragging left and right. And don't worry that your hours and minutes are not visible in the timeline. We'll take care of that in the next chapter of this video. Once you're done, click Create. An Office Timeline will put the visual on your slide automatically. Next up, if you set up the hours and minutes for your tasks and milestones, but you're not seeing them in your visual, all you need to do is to change the date format of your items. First, make sure the Style pane is enabled. Then select a date from one of those tasks and milestones. Now go to the Style pane and click on the Date Format button. Use the list in the middle of this new window to select the time format you want to use for your hours and minutes. You can even use the list on the left to hide the calendar dates from your items, leaving just their exact start and end times visible. Once you're done, click Accept, and then right under Date Format, click the Apply to All button with the format option selected to show the hours and minutes on all other items of the same type. If you still have items on your visual that don't have hours and minutes, just select the date from one of them and go through the same exact process one more time. Finally, if you're looking for a quicker workflow, you might want to try creating a timetable from a predefined template. To do this, make sure you have the Office Timeline ribbon open, click on New, and then browse through your templates until you find one that uses hours and minutes, double-click it to see a preview, and then click Create Timeline. Now you can adjust the hours and minutes on your newly created timeline, either by using the Start Time and End Time columns, or you can switch over to the timeline view and drag your items left or right. And that's pretty much all you need to know to make precise timetables with hours and minutes. That's it for this video, but if you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the Office Timeline Support Center. Thanks for watching.